Hey Bella babes! I wanted to put together a few lashing tips that I've learned throughout the years that you don't exactly get taught during a course. All of these have been super helpful for me and I hope they benefit you as well. If your client is experiencing a sensitivity to the fumes emitted from adhesive, try using our nebulizer. Our nebulizer introduces the perfect amount of hydrogen molecules to the cyanoacrylate in your adhesive. By doing so, it speeds up the curing process, which will help to eliminate any fumes. After nebulizing with your client's eyes closed for 30 seconds, lift their eyelids slightly and continue nebulizing for another 10 to 20 seconds. This aids in adding extra moisture to their eyes to protect against fumes as well. Repeat this process throughout your set as needed for your client. Your client's eyes keep watering and you don't have any tissues. What do you use? Use an adhesive wipe. These wipes soak up liquid very easily. One of the best parts is that they are lint-free, so they won't get stuck on the extensions and leave any strands of cotton behind. Whether you're wiping the adhesive nozzle or wiping tears, our adhesive wipes have your back. There are two brushing techniques you should use while lashing. The first technique is to lightly brush the extensions to groom them. This helps to ensure the extensions are placed straight and transition well between lanes. The second technique is to vigorously brush the extensions to test your attachment. If the extensions are not adhered correctly to the natural lash, some extensions have the potential to pop off. This gives you the opportunity to get a better attachment to the natural lash and achieve higher retention for your clients. Had a fun adhesive explosion or maybe dip your tweezers into your adhesive drop? Use some acetone to remove it. This awesome solvent removes adhesive like nobody's business. Simply take a cotton round soaked in acetone and scrub away the adhesive. If the adhesive is on there really good, you can try soaking it for a few minutes before scrubbing. I've used all of these techniques recently and wanted to share them with you. If you have any questions or want us to cover a specific topic, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for joining me here today at Bella Lash. For more tips and tricks, be sure to like and subscribe.